What's going on, guys? In this video, we're checking out some news from FCA, more specifically the Dodge brand. And yeah, Dodge is the first domestic brand to ever rank #1 on JD Powers. But before we get into that, I want to say you should definitely go check out txgarage.com. txgarage.com is the website where a lot of our articles and event coverage and videos and everything gets posted there. You should definitely go check it out. A lot of great contributors here. You can sign up for our weekly newsletter right over here at the newsletter sign up. That'll send you a weekly newsletter with a wrap-up of all the videos that we've done for the week. So definitely go check out txgarage.com, sign up for the newsletter. Check us out on our social medias as well, including this channel and our reviews YouTube channel. But with that, let's jump back into the actual news for this video, and that's FCA surges in JD Power's initial quality study. So Dodge is the first domestic brand ever to rank #1. Ram soars to #3 on strength of new, redesigned, refreshed lineup. Toluca Assembly Plant wins Gold Award as top plant in the Americas. Belvidere Assembly Plant earns a bronze. FCA's overall performance ranks better than industry average for the first time in its history. Now, every time I do a review on a Dodge, a Jeep, a Chrysler vehicle, I always get the people telling me that they're unreliable, they have a lot of issues, and I know that has been an issue in the past and probably is still an issue for specific vehicles or certain things. But for the most part, from what I've found, they're very solid vehicles. They drive really well. They're all put together really well nowadays. So a lot of that is a thing of the past, even though there is still some cases to be made in that space. But with them ranking #1 on the JD Powers survey, that's a huge win for the Dodge brand and for FCA altogether. Let's see if there's anything else pretty interesting or anything else we need to follow up in here. So Dodge tied for the top spot among 31 competitors, becoming the first domestic brand ever to achieve #1 ranking in the prestigious study 34 years run. FCA's performance brand lapped 7 places from last year's IQS results. Ram followed closely, raising to 3rd place, tie from 21st position last year, and it did so on the strength of fresh product, the redesigned 1500 half-ton pickup, and significantly upgraded lineup of heavy-duty trucks. The 75 plants in the Americas, Toluca Assembly Plant in Mexico won the Gold Award for manufacturing quality, while Belvidere Assembly Plant in Illinois claimed the Bronze Award. FCA's overall performance surged 5 spots to a 4th place finish among the 15 companies assessed by JD Powers. This marks the first time in the study's history that FCA outperformed the industry average. JD Powers uses reported problems per 100 vehicle as a measurement. FCA's total of 153 was 13 less than the industry average and 10 less than the nearest competitor. These results reflect a relentless, whatever-it-takes attitude of our team, said Mark, head of quality, FCA, North America. Our complete focus is on the customer, and these outcomes reinforce that we are on target. The team is going to be inspired and motivated and will continue to push forward. Toluca and Belvidere are home to Jeep brand SUVs, producing the Compass and Cherokee, respectively. Jeep jumped 6 spots to 11th place, its best ever ranking in the annual study, which analyzes vehicle performance during the first 3 months of ownership. So That's great news again for FCA, for the Jeep brand, for the Dodge brand, for those assembly plants. Really great news. Good stuff to see. A big fan of a lot of stuff that FCA puts out, especially their Dodge, Ram, and Jeep products. But with that, this is a quick video talking about the news coming out of FCA. So I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this study and these results. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.